Hi, this is passe one. See, this is very hard, strong one. I keep this one either in 1 or in 2. In which you want me to keep? Say, which one? 1 or 2? 1, okay. I place this inside this 1. This 1 comes from 1 to 2 in 2 ways. One, it vanishes here and it comes here. The other way is, it goes in front of your eyes like this and it goes into this cover. How do you want it to go?
In front of your eyes.
In front of your eyes. Okay, see, look at this. Ready? 1, 2, 2. Now the one is going in front of your eyes. See? It's coming up there. It has turned and it has gone inside this cover. I'm not happy. Okay, now it goes not in front of your eyes. It vanishes from here and it comes here. See? It's here now. See? The one is here. Nothing. This is passe one, stage size, 12 inches.